children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have another set of revision assignment and I hope this is really going to help you out to write your exam or preparation for your exams. Let's begin. Which of the following is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats? Which of the following is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats? Highest peak. Highest peak of the world is Mount Everest. So, but here they are asking highest peaks in Eastern Ghats. The highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri. Okay, Mahendragiri Hills actually. Let's see. Yeah, Mahendragiri. Anemuri, Nilgiris, Doda Beta. Anemuri is in the highest peak in the southern India. Okay. So, in Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri. So, 1 is the answer. Doda Beta is the second highest peak. What is the name of the part that has water surrounded by a lot of vegetation? What is the name of the part that has water surrounded by a lot of vegetation? A water surrounded by a lot of vegetation. When they particularly talking about vegetation and around the water bodies you can find in desert region, that is oasis, right? Right, when surrounded by the water bodies, vegetation when they specified. So, it is oasis and you find in the desert areas. Let us see, delta, oasis, 2 is the answer. Clear? So, when you read your question twice and thrice, you get the answer automatically when you are thorough with your lesson. So, let us go for this. Jog Falls of Dash River in Karnataka is the highest waterfalls in India. So, they are asking from which river actually? Jog Falls of Dash River. Okay. So, what river? So, let us see. It is Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Saravati or Krishna. Jog Falls comes from the Saravati river in Karnataka. So, the answer is 3. 3 is the answer. Next one. The Thar Desert lies to the dash of Aravalli range. The Thar Desert lies to the dash of Aravalli range. Almost all the deserts are in the western part. So, they are asking where is Thar Desert in the Aravalli ranges? This is in the western direction. So, south, north, east or west? West. 4 is the answer. Next one. A dash is a raised, rocky and uneven land surface. A dash is a raised, rocky and uneven land surface. Okay, plain, plateau. So, the uneven land surface is plateau. Let us see, plain, plateau. 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Is it clear? Let us go for the next one. The eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains meet at. The eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains meet at. Okay. Coastal plains. These are the coastal plains. Where they meet? They meet at Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? It is in Tamil Nadu, right? So, Kanyakumari is also called as Cape Comorin. Okay, Kanyakumari is also called as Cape Comorin. So, this is a new word which you will learn slowly when you go to your higher classes. But remember, Kanyakumari is also called as Cape Comorin. So, don't get confused whether Kanyakumari is the answer or Cape, both are same actually. You need to understand the question in what manner they are giving the questions to you. Let us see whether we have both the options or we have only one option for the answer. Okay, Cape Comorin they are given, Kochi they are given, Kanyakumari. So, the answer goes for 1 and 3. So, both 1 and 3 is the answer, 4 is the answer. Clear? Let us go for the next one. The Sambar Lake, India's largest inland dash lake. Sambar Lake, it is in Gujarat. This is biggest salt producer in India and we export a lot of salt from there. Okay, it's a salt lake. Sambar Lake is a salt lake. Salt lake, backwater, fresh, bay. It is salt lake. 1 is the answer. Next one. Rainfall is very scanty and is less than dash centimeters per annum in the desert region. Per annum. Okay, and in Thar Desert per annum you find only 25. So, you have your ruler, right? Your scale. Your scale is of 15 centimeters, right? And if you take the longer ruler, it is 30 centimeters. So, in Thar Desert, the annual rainfall is 25 centimeters. You can understand how little rainfall they are experiencing. But now people realize that if they plant more and more trees, they get lot and lot of clouds can be can be condensed, and they get the precipitation. That's how the Rajasthan is changing into the greenery now. Okay, so but 25 centimeters of rainfall is collected per annum in Rajasthan. Let's see, 55, 24, 25. 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Okay, with this we have concluded your assignment, children. I hope you're reading your textbook and preparing your assignment properly. Thank you.